Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today we're going to be talking about the Dollar General weekly ad for the week of July 30th through August 5th. So let's start with the Mix and Max promotion on the Coca-Cola products. You can get them 3 for $13. But if you clip that digital coupon, your final price will be 3 for $11. And it looks like it's the Coca-Cola, Sprite, A&W, Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, RC Cola, or Sunkist canned drinks. If you need to satisfy your Oreo sweet tooth, they're regularly priced at $4.65, but you can clip a $1 off digital coupon, making your final price $3.65. Now's a good time also to pick up cereal. They are on sale 2 for $5, and that's going to be on your General Mills cereal. And clip that $1 digital coupon, making it 2 for $4. If you're in need of the all laundry detergent, it's going to be on sale for $3.75, but if you clip the $1.25 digital coupon, it will make your final price $2.50. Arm & Hammer is regularly priced, not a sale price. However, there is a $1.25 digital coupon, making your final price $2.75. Coming down to some of the Gain products, they are regularly priced at $9.95, but there is a $2 digital coupon, making your final price $7.95. Dollar General is a great place to stock up on Clorox products, and you can clip the $2 digital coupon and save an additional $2 when you buy 2 Clorox products. Now for the paper deals, they've got a promotion on Bounty or Charmin. It's going to be $17 for your final price if you clip that $2 digital coupon. And that is on, again, the Charmin and Bounty paper towel. Now let's take a look at some of the back to school promotions going on. They've got pencils on sale for 50 cents. They've got glue sticks and glue for 50 cents. The one subject notebooks are on sale for 50 cents. The marble composition books are 75 cents. And the filler paper wide rule is also going to be 75 cents for 125 sheets. Now, back to school also means back to packing those school lunches, and they've got several promotions going on. If you need to make sandwiches, they've got the turkey breast, the cheese, the bread, grape jelly, peanut butter, mayo, Capri Suns. So you may want to check out some of these deals if you need to stock up and get ready to start back packing those school lunches. The Frito-Lay 18 bags is going to be on sale for $9.95. And that's a great lunch filler item. And they also have the Dole fruit, and it's going to be 3 for $6. If you need a sweet treat, the Little Debbie snacks are going to be on sale 2 for $5. And they've got a lot of the Rubbermaid and Good Cook lunch containers that are also going to be on sale. Now let's take a look at a few more of the back to school items. They've got backpacks that are on sale. They're assorted. They're $5. They got the Office Hub binders that are starting at $2.25. You can get the plastic ruler or 2-pocket folder. They're going to be on sale 3 for $1, as well as index cards. And of course, if you need a pencil box, they are starting at $1. Now let's look down to some of the color pencils. They've got the Dollar General brand. They're 2 for $1, or the Crayola for $1. And if you need some tissue for those runny noses in the classroom, they've got some promotions going on. But if you want the puffs, it's going to be 3 for $5, and there is a 50 cents digital coupon that you'll want to clip. Now, speaking of the classroom, Dollar General is going to be promoting the Yellow Glasses Project. It says, "See literacy change lives." A $2 pair of yellow sunglasses can build brighter futures when you buy, wear, and share. So you can find out more in the store if that's something that you're interested in. Now, if you're a teacher, they're offering 30% off. You just have to make sure you click to sign up and register. Now, let's take a look at some of the back to school essentials. They've got an Enter to Win $10,000 scholarship promotion going on. Scan the QR code if you want to learn more. Okay, so there's going to be a Downy promotion going on. It's regularly priced at $10.95, but if you clip the $3 digital coupon, it'll make your final price $7.95. There's also a promotion on Tide, regularly priced at $5.50, but there's a $1.50 digital coupon that you can clip. If you need Draft laundry detergent, I don't often see that one go on sale, but there's a $3 digital coupon making your final cost $7.50. They've got a buy one, get one 50% off promotion going on, and that's going to be on the Mr. Clean products. And there's also a promotion going on for Dawn. So if you want to click that 50-cent digital coupon, it'll make your final cost on the Dawn dish detergent or the Easy Squeeze $5.35. If you're into Fabulosa, they've got a 25-cent digital coupon. It's regularly priced at $4.50. And if you want some of the food or grocery deals, they're going to have the Old El Paso on sale too for $4. For the Tostitos or Fritos, they are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. And if you are into Tombstone Pizza, you can get two for $10. You can save instantly $2 when you spend $10 on the following condiments, and that's any Kraft brand or Heinz brand condiments. We have a few more and that includes the mayo, the barbecue sauce, Heinz 57, for the Snicker bars, and they're going to be on sale buy 4 get 1 free. And for the Klondike bars, they are 2 for $8, but you can clip the $2 digital coupon, making them 2 for $6. For the Dow Foaming Hand Soap, it's going to be buy 3, get 1 free. For our oral care deal, you can save an additional $3 on Colgate Optic White or the Pro Series or the Renewal products. For the big razors, you can save $3 when you buy one Big Soleil, Flex, Easy Rinse, or Hybrid disposable razors. Now there's also a save $2 instantly when you buy any 2 of the Dove Men Care, or Tresemme products. For the Tone or Dow body wash, it's regularly priced at $3.65 to $4.75, but you can save an additional $2 when you buy 2. You can also save $2 instantly when you spend $8 on Band-Aid bandages, sports wrap, or the Neosporin pain relief ointment. If you're in need of Huggies diapers, the promotion for this week is going to be 2 for $20, but you can clip that $1 off digital coupon, making the cost 2 for $19. For home decor, they've got some items starting at $3. And their baskets or foldable storage bins are buy one, get one 50% off. Now, if you're in need of an LED set of light bulbs, they're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. And they've got several promotions going on their pet products. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.